Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel. Today we prepared something epic for you guys. Today's episode is going to be about drivers raging at each other, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy in this one. Honda driver cut off another vehicle and a bit further up the road, it came to a heated argument. Driver who got cut off pulled up to him and some threats were exchanged. Biker caught a crazy road rage scene on his camera. One driver got out of his car and he put his frustration out on another driver's mirror. Prius driver cut right in front of the camera without bothering to indicate at all. But that's not all. Check out what happened moments after the crazy cut in. Driver in front of the camera was annoyed because he was being tailgated. A bit further up the road, he got so mad that he had to get out of his car and start an argument. This driver had summer tires during winter season, and this clip shows up why it's so bad to have them. Cammer got hit by a lady as she was overtaking him. But that's not the worst part. The worst thing about this all is that she fled the scene.
Internet connection can slow down to with speed starting at 60 megabits per second. Get the bandwidth of 2999 844-855-2999. Restrictions apply. Call for details.
We're good together. This summer, McDonald's is getting together our classic double cheeseburger and world-famous fries for the sizzling summer price of just $2.50. We're good together. We're good together. Just $2.50 for 2 all-beef patties, melty cheese, and golden fries. fries. Double the lovin' this summer at McDonald's with a double cheeseburger and small fries.
Into this driveway here. We're on Hidden Glen off South Hewlin. Yep. She drove into the circle down here.
Jesus!
that you're using that might help you. But to get know what this guy sounds like.
Another episode comes to an end, but don't worry guys, because we'll be back soon with another banger. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest content. Until then, drive safe and take care.